welcome to another GCSE revision video. In this video we're going to be looking at the AQA GCSE past paper. This is the November 2017 first paper in the foundation tier of the 8300 series. It's a non-calculator paper. And we're picking up in question 14, which reads, on the grid, draw the graph of x plus y equals 2 for values of x from -3 to 3. Okay, well this would be a lot easier if we just had y on its own. And we could just see what y is and just plug the x into the calculation. So let's just rearrange this. If I subtract x from both sides of the equation, I get y is equal to 2 minus x. It's just that simple. Okay, so now I can plug in our values for x and I can get my values for y. So if x is -3, 2 minus -3 is the same as 2 plus 3, which is 5. If x is -2, 2 minus -2 is 2 plus 2, which is 4. And if x is -1, 2 minus -1 is 2 plus 1, which is 3. And if x is 0, 2 minus 0 is 2. This pattern's pretty obvious now, isn't it? It's going to go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 and -1, isn't it? So if x is 1, then y is 2 minus 1, which is 1. And if x is 2, 2 minus 2 is 0. And if x is 3, 2 minus 3 is -1. So all that remains is for us to plot these coordinates. So if x is -3, y is 5. Well, y is 5 is here, and -3 is here. So we go across the x-axis, -3, up the y-axis to the 5, and there we go. And as I recall, the y's just go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, -1. And the x's just go -3, -2, -1, and so on. So -2 is going to be 4. -1 is 3. Don't really need to plot all these, but never mind. So 0 is 2. I'll plot them all just to make it obvious. 1 is 1. 2 is 0. And x is 3, y is -1. And all that remains is a nice straight line through the lot of them. So and that's all there is to it. Okay, I hope you found that helpful. If you're taking your GCSEs this year, I'd like to wish you every success with your revision and every success with your exams. And I look forward to seeing you in another video.